Okay, today we're going to talk about the Beholder's anti-magic cone and how it can use 5th edition rules to do some pretty cheesy stuff. For example, the Beholder here has to set its anti-magic cone at the beginning of the turn. So it decides to put the cone in this direction. Now this extends on 150 feet, so you can see it's a very large cone, but you can see the angle here gives you the information you need. It's obvious now in this situation that the player at the end of the hallway there, even though it's through the door, is not in the anti-magic cone. So at this point, the Beholder fires 3 IRAs at the player at the end of the hall within range, and then moves forward until it arrives in this location. Now you can see that set precisely, the player at the end of the hall is now in the anti-magic cone. I don't know if I got that right. Set so the player is not in the anti-magic cone. Then we have to maintain the exact same orientation when the Beholder moves over here. And now, once it reaches this position at the end of its turn, the player is now in the anti-magic cone. Now, on future turns, the Beholder will just set it for exactly the same angle, pop out into the hall. The player is no longer in the anti-magic cone, fire IRAs at it, and then pop back into the room. So now on the player's turn, this anti-magic cone will affect where they are, and also areas here in front of the Beholder that might be used to target it, such as casting a fireball in the area here. The spell can't pass through the cone, so it would be virtually untouchable with my magic.